It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, time's picking it up. Let's go ahead, listen anyway. You never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even starstruck. Humble through opportunities, living despite the fact that many misjudges makes a living from writing facts. Put it together himself, and a picture connects. Never asking for someone's help, and get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds. The skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear. His writing is ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the Western brains? And I heard him running with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Why you had the stupidest verses? True is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks for the roof. I heard him fucking with that guy. 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. They call him Roddy, he's sick and he's spitting fire and Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top for the fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cop. The type women wanna be with them rappers, hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, this shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat.
Still
Thank you.